Anyway, suppose I want to create a website. From the console, you basically set up, say, a website, and you say custom create, and let's say Maven sample, and you ask to publish from source control, regardless or not you're using it. It's to make deployment easier. So once you do that, you set to use a local Git repository, and then you are basically set on this side. What you can do besides that is to set and use a name or password. You're likely to need it as well. So from this point, let's see, it's too fast. Okay, it's running nothing basically. But what you need to do is set your deployment credentials here. I'll set a password, say password. Password, exclamation mark. No, say password 2. Okay. 2, okay, exclamation mark again. So basically I set up a deployment credential so I can simply use it up or encrypt it. I'll encrypt. So that's the encrypted password. By default, it looks from several Azure websites once you install the plugin. Okay, unset. So right now, I'll just pick up the sample projects and set the name of the project here to be, say, Maven sample. The example is quite self-contained, so I can simply type, what's the name of the profile again? Websites. So one can use and deploy. Basically, Azure creates all the Git endpoints using Kudu, which is awesome. We are leveraging it. That's the reason. We can do atomic incremental deployments, not rely on FTP or blobs or anything, just plain Git and no use of the Azure API. Everything plain Java with minimal authentication, with minimal traction, and it simply works. Basically, at this point, we are using Dropwizard, so by default, it relies on a set of glue scripts for Jetty or Tomcat, but you don't need it. You can just deploy. Let me see. Another thing you can do is, given a website name, say, you can use, say, I believe it's SCM. To open the Kudu services and debug the deployment agent, so we can actually try and look into a few things. What else? It's deploying, it takes a while, but here you have the basic boilerplate code. You have the basic stuff here on Eclipse as well. The key is within the Maven assembly as well as this script. There is a lot of troubleshooting to apply later. There is a Maven plugin you need to install. Let me see. Well, right now it's uploading. I'll just pause and resume once it finishes so we can look on it.